Ho ho! Merry Christmas! Yeah! It's Christmas time! Yeah! Anyway, the boss bought a new car! Yeah! So, I thought I'd do something nice and, pick it up for him at the dealership and surprise him! Yeah! But, something happened. Yeah. Anyway, take a look. See what you think. I don't think it was my fault. It's just a freak accident. Anyway, have a look. Oh, wow. This is a really nice car. Wow. I really like this. Oh, look. It's got a brake. There's the brake. There's the light switch. There's the steering wheel. Yeah. Oh, and there's the gas. Wah! Yeah, so that just happened. Yeah, it did. It wasn't my fault though. I did not know. The car wasn't even running. Well, I guess it couldn't run. It's one of them electric cars, so it just took off. Yeah, there's a lot of power in them. Wow. Anyway, so the dealership gave us another car. Yeah. And then this happened. Wasn't my fault again. Anyway, you have a look. See what you think. I don't think it was my fault. No way. Not my fault. Okay. This is the boss's new car. And we gotta be really careful when it go down this hill. So let's just go. Uh-oh. I can't steer. Oh my god. I can't steer. So yeah. Then that happened. Yeah. So the boss was pretty upset. Anyway. Yeah. Oh well. So the dealership's still gonna get us another car. It's just that we gotta order it now. The boss is gonna have to wait a while. Yeah. This freaking COVID going on, it's just screwing everything up. Yeah. Anyway, but the boss will be able to use his old truck for the time being. Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.